Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we are going to make pineapple salad. Yep, you can make a salad with pineapple. So it's going to be very simple. We use a very large pineapple. One pineapple is good. You want to cut it up fine so you could get about 6 cups of pineapple. Okay, and so we have our pineapple chopped here. And we want to add mint, about 2 tablespoons of mint. So you have to chop that mint up fine. Okay, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yeah, I know the pineapple is sweet. You can leave out the sugar if you want, or you can taste it and then decide if you're going to put your sugar. Okay, and we need lime zest. Need about 1 tablespoon of lime zest. Really pretty good with the lime. Okay, so about 1 teaspoon. Okay, and then we need lime juice. That's why you need the sugar. Now I remember. Because you need the sugar to counter the lime juice, not because the pineapple's not sweet. So, a little bit of lime juice. You need about a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Okay, and that settles later, you know. We need fresh ginger. You need to grate fresh ginger. And so we need about 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. And so you need ginger root and you peel it. No skin should be on. And I think I'll have to go on the end so I could get some. Okay. So the ginger is the twist. That's one of the twists that we have will be the ginger. And we need a good amount of ginger to give that ginger and pineapple taste. Okay. Gonna mix up our ginger. And our last twist is red pepper flakes. That's right. Pineapple and red pepper flakes go very well together. That's why we need the sugar. So we're gonna put about half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Please don't put too much, just the kids can't eat it. And now I'm gonna finish off, so I have my 2 teaspoons. And believe it or not, this is pineapple salad with ginger and red pepper flakes. It is very well loved at home and a lot of people use it. So it's time for me to taste. So when you sit this in the fridge and it's been in there for a few hours, the juices mix, it's absolutely great. Absolutely perfect. So, thank you for joining Shelly's Cuisine today as we made pineapple salad. We look forward to seeing you again. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification button to know when we have new videos. Please check out Shelly's blog on our website, www.shellyscuisine.com. And tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.